Okay, dear students, this is your third video, okay, of this chapter 3. So what you have to do here, this is your page number 16. Complete these sentences with suitable question tags, as we did in our next before page. We have to do the same. Okay, so it is a good idea to enjoy the day at the beach. Okay, isn't it? Dekho, it is a isn't it? Okay, we have to do this. Okay, next, number 6. Urmila can run fast. Okay, can't she? Can't she? Dave should help his brother. Okay, shouldn't he? Okay, the Mishras are very helpful, aren't they? You have to make aren't they? Okay, so the Mishras are very helpful, aren't they? Okay, number 5. The weather is balmy here. Okay, isn't it? Number 6. We have seen that film, haven't we? Okay, so did you know some of the most commonly asked questions in the English language are how are you? What is your name? Okay, let us go to B. Add appropriate question tags to these statements and rewrite them. One has been done for you. Okay, so you are an undergraduate. You are an undergraduate. Okay, aren't you? Aren't you? Okay. Number 2. He is not a good cook. Is he? Question mark. Okay. Number 3. They do not cover every Sunday. Do they? Then question mark. Okay. You do not like banana milkshake. Do you? Question mark. They enjoy playing badminton. Okay, so don't they? यहाँ पे ये positive है, then that is why we used don't. Okay, he has not lived here long. Has he? Okay, you went to Jaipur last month. Didn't you? Okay, didn't you? Didn't you? It is a lovely day today, isn't it? Okay, then question mark. Okay, so in this way, we completed this chapter with complete doing task and explanations. And I hope you all understood from this video. So here I stop this video. See you in next video.